Honey soy wings never looked so good. They have a sticky glaze with a sweet heat. Chicken wings, you're gonna need some for this recipe. I dropped out to see Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats and grabbed 1 kilogram of wings. Any good recipe starts with good preparation. Honey soy chicken isn't a new concept, but there's nothing saying we can't make it better. Now these wings can go in the fridge for an hour while we get the barbecue ready. What the hell is the second ingredient? Don't worry, I'm onto it. I'll find out. Now, do you want to know a little trick to make sure all your wings are fully covered in that marinade before you pop them in the fridge? The pressure in the water around the wings forces all the air out of the bag, effectively vacuum sealing it. So that way every wing is fully covered in the marinade. Today I'm using a 57 centimetre Weber kettle and I'm pairing it up with a Kettle Kone and Heat Beads coconut briquettes because I want to be cooking indirectly with a high heat of 240 degrees Celsius today. Don't forget to carefully put your grill back in place. Once the fuel's roaring hot and we've popped the grill in, pop the lid back on, opening all the vents, and we'll give the grill 10 minutes to warm up. I still have no idea what that secret ingredient is. This is bullshit. Cooking time for this recipe will be 45 minutes, or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. So, beer me up. Once the grill's had 10 minutes to warm up, we can oil it up, add the wings and some smoking wood. Let them smoke away for 45 minutes. Just tell me what the secret ingredient is before I lose my shit. If you didn't know, the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot. As the cold oxygen is sucked in through the bowl vents up and around our fuel, it is then forced back out through this lid vent. So to ensure that you get an even cook, I recommend turning the lid a third of the way every 15 minutes during the cook. Chicken needs to be cooked to an internal temp of 74 degrees Celsius to be considered no-death chicken. Though dark meat, like wings, we can push a little bit further. I'm taking these wings to just over 80 degrees Celsius internally. That's going to help us break down that connective tissue and it's going to leave us with a much more tender wing. Now they are ready, we can get them off the grill and onto a plate. I mean, look at that colour. Bingo! It was sriracha all along. The only thing left to do is garnish these wings. And the results, super tasty, not dry, but moist. Smut! Oh.